So this is the last of the 3 initial videos about questions and using questions within Opus. As you can see so far, we have still got our 3 pages, and on page 1 and on page 2 we have got a text box button there for you to click on. And then if we have a look to see how this all puts together, we can answer true, go to the next question, we can drag some of these down, go to the next question, and then we end up here. But as we're going through this, we've not got a real track on what the score of the user is, how well they've done, and they don't know what they're doing. They haven't got any information or anything that they can do. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this video, and we're going to be using something called a variable. And that is something which is a piece of data which is kept track of the whole time. You can see here that there's one here, maximum mark available, so they can see on that question the score that they've got, how much they've got on here, and they're really easy to implement. All I've done here is create a text box, and I'm going to single click into it, and you can see now that the cursor's blinking there. I'm going to right click and I'm going to insert variable, and we can click down on the drop down, and you can see there are lots of variables that can be used. And what we're going to be really interested in are these Q-score variables. Okay, there are different ones that you can use, and they are pretty clear as to what they do. So for example, Q-score total questions shows how many questions are available in the series that you've got. The value of the score, so when you're setting a question, you can have it set to a particular value, 1, 2, 3, 5.62997 reoccurring. The choices are endless. We can see how many they've got correct using Q-score correct, how many they've got incorrect, loads of different things available to you. So we're going to create one called Q-score correct, and we're just going to see what happens when we play this. So we're going to go for true. We are just going to drag these down. And you can see here already that we've already got 2 marks. Okay, so we could have got that from the true and false question, and one of the images we dragged down was correct. Who knows? So what we can do with this, if you have that on every single screen that you've got, you can quite easily have an option there for total score you have got so far, and have that on every single page. Okay, this will then allow the user to think, alright, this is what I'm doing, this is okay. We can add different variables as well, so let's just add another variable here. So it's blinking, right click on it, insert variable, and again let's have a look for Q-score total questions. Okay, so we're just going to play through this again. This time we're going to say false because we know that's not true. Correct, so we can come out of there, and we're going to go for true, and let's just drag some of these down. So we can see again we've only got 1 mark so far, but we've seen that there's been 3 questions asked. So using these variables, you can take them on and record data and present data to the user in many different ways. I hope this has been helpful for you.